call men and women thinking differently.
Not a roller, man.
First night at the camp out. July the 13th, 2011. Big Arsenic campground. There's Deborah.
Don't take my picture.
Don't take your picture? Okay. I won't. Starting right now. Oh, look what we have down here. There's the vehicles. There's our little pavilion. There's Pat's and Jackie's tent. Ouch! Just hit my head on a tree. Hurt. Here's Johnny and Debbie's tent. Not the greatest in the world, but got it for the money. $58 or $54, something like that. Looky there, I see rain coming over the horizon. Ooh-wee. Good thing we got those tents set up. That's definitely a rainstorm coming right there. Headed our way. Tent's up just in time. That's a good one. We haven't gotten rained on yet. Didn't get rained on last year, but we're probably going to get rained on. And then turn around here. There's our little pavilion thing over there. Pat and Jackie's tents. We do both have rain flies on our tents, so should be safe and dry in there. And I spread the remnants of my first up out on the ground under my tent. There's Pat and Jackie's tent. Here's the canyon, the Rio Grande. There's the Rio. That's actually the curve to the left that usually we don't see. We usually can't see that part of the river because we're usually fishing back down this way. And the river down here. But today, okay, as I was saying earlier, before the battery went dead, we're camped out on the Rio Grande. This year we're camped further up here towards the turn in the river. Usually we can't see that part of the Rio down there because we're camped and we are fishing down here, down there. So tomorrow we're going to walk down a trail right up here, and then we're going to walk down the big arsenic, and that right there is the beginning of the big arsenic, and then it's going to go all the way to the bottom of the Rio Grande Gorge. See if I can get down here without breaking my neck. And I can't see it, but it's way down there somewhere. That's it. So, there's the rim of the Rio, and the sun's going down, and we're getting ready to watch the sun set over the rim of the Rio. In the morning when we get up, like 1 some odd miles down that trail there, all the way to the bottom, way down there, and go fishing. Big trout. Yes.
Don't take hamburgers were good.
They look like they might be okay.
Yeah. Don't overcook them.
Alright. Everybody's making something this morning.
Let's see our view. There's our view.
There's Debbie Doo texting with her iPhone back to the civilized world.
Checking to see if I have a signal.
Here's the biscuits. 350 degrees. Perfect. Second pot of coffee going here. Here's Pat hard at work on the bacon and what have you, breakfast. There's Jackie. She's not in a tizzy on the taters like she was last. Not yet.
Over there yet.
But we're gonna have this video running when she gets on those taters because I've had more enjoyment
From that video.
out of that 2-second piece of video. I'll call Debbie over there every now and then. I said, Debbie, come here. Sit down. And we'll rerun it, loop it over and over and over again. I say, and Jackie's in a tizzy over the taters. Boy, you look up like that and you got this look on your face.
Caught me by surprise.
All right. Huh? Yeah, I borrowed that. I should have brought that back. Okay. Tents are still in the same place that were last night. And here is the morning view of the Rio Grande right here. There's the old Rio right down there.
Our tent is filthy. Man, it's a good rain.
It takes a turn right there. Turns this way. And this is the way we're going down in there. Anyway, this is it. Been very good. We had good hamburgers last night. About 0.8 of a pound burger patties last night, I'd say. And today we're having the works for breakfast and cowboy coffee. We got our second pot going over there, so everything's good. And then we're gonna go fishing.
Trying to help you not have to work so hard. Fire's on.
Mm-hmm.
Turn it down real low.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I was gonna video breakfast. I got in a little late, but I'm gonna turn the percolator off here. Coffee's done. The oven's done its job. Made the biscuits.
Oils and stuff. Now, the only time I fry, we like chicken liver. And I fry chicken liver about every other week. We don't even eat that's about the only fried foods we eat.
Can't tell it from video myself.
They're very skinny.
Oh, we're not there yet.
We're on the trail.
Well, where is the rest of the trail?
We're on it. It just continues to go
Oh,
down.
we go that way.
Yeah, I thought we got that part of it out.
We did. We cut out from here to the top there.
Oh, good. I said just all of us be sure when we get to this point we go that way
Yeah.
and not that way. That's the best.
This is a big moment. Debbie gets to see the petroglyphs.
They don't tell who the Indians were.
I'll be astounded if some morons don't come along and mess those up.
Yeah.
But that's exactly what those looked like that we saw over at the other place. I told Debbie, if that's fake,
You know, there was
somebody really studied up on it.
Oh, there was a big cover the sun.
What's one down here?
Those are car S10s.
Just in time, though,
Bunches up here on top, right here. Here's a moose. Look at this one. This is a moose. Right here. That one is a moose. Here's elk. Here's a elk right here.
Count coup.
Here is a bear paw. Right up here on top.
Here's the bear paw.
Climb up here, Deborah Sue.
That's why they have bears here,
There's
Johnny.
here's the person with his equipment hanging out right here.
I want to see that one.
He looks to me like he's been scared to death.
Yeah.
Either that or he's been tortured on the ground. The way his hands and legs are splayed out.
That is the moose.
That's a moose.
It's that one.
Yep.
Snake.
This is a snake right here. Here's a snake. Here's a... That's probably a deer. There's the deer.
There's the man.
Oh,
There's the bear paw. See the bear paw right here?
I think that man was being tortured or something.
There's a hand.
Must have been
bear
an
print.
enemy.
That's
Either
a
that or
footprint.
that was their image of the devil or something, a ghost or...
Yeah, I didn't get up here the other time.
That's not just a nonchalant...
What do you think that is, Johnny?
Young gentleman.
A stick figure, but of what?
I don't know. I don't know what this is either.
tree?
This?
Yeah.
Oh.
The hands and feet are easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toes.
How'd they do that so that they lasted?
They etch those in here? How do they etch those in here?
I don't know what they do it with.
No, they treated it with something.
Something to bleach it out.
Yeah.
Or help erode it like an acid of some sort.
See, here's one down here that's eroding away.
I think that's just
on there now.
Just a real simple.
This is a snake. This is a snake like this one right there, and this one right here. Here's one right here. It's smaller.
Just a real simple.
What do you think that is right there?
Here.
It's pine cones right there.
That's a snake.
That's a snake there.
Mm-hmm.
And there's one here. There's one there.
Person.
Yeah. Is that the lady or is that the guy?
That looks more like a lady.
I think that's one's a guy, one's a gal.
Just can't tell from...
That's a
Why
goat,
would they draw them like that?
sheep,
That's weird.
sheep. And
What's that over? Is that something there on the side there?
there's some JM carved there.
Yeah.
Here.
Modern petroglyphs.
Don't slip off. Last time I was there, there's 2 fish in there.
Really?
Get a video. You can sure see them.
Clear. Well, this is a trail between the big arsenic and the little arsenic. that we took. We got about halfway back to the top of the big Arsenic, and we cut across on this trail right here that goes over and intersects with the little Arsenic, and then went all the way back down to the river again. Could have been a mistake. What do you think, Debbie?
Might have been a little much.
Could have been more than we could have just bitten off more than we can chew. But we thought we'd take a picture of this because it is pretty, and see what it looks. See. The zoomer's gone crazy. All right. Okay. Here we go. We're trying to get our way back over to the big Arsenic trail, which is this is a trail within itself. Just getting back to that trail. We'll see what happens. We were halfway to the rim. Cut across and hit this trail and went all the way back down to the river. Fished some of these pools to get close enough. Pretty tough, isn't it? Worst is yet to come. Take us a little break. Long way to the top. Take a load off. We're getting ready to hit the steep part. This is the steepest part, even steeper than anything on the little Arsenic or the big Arsenic that we came down. You ready to go or you want to rest?
I'm gonna get some water.
Yeah. Well, okay. That's where we're headed. We're on the Red River Gorge today. Just came from down there fishing. Caught a few. We're hiking out of here. And I guess this is it for the Red and the Rio. We got to get right up there, get in the truck.